Elon Musk is stirring excitement on Twitter about the Tesla Cybertruck, despite ongoing legal battles. Despite being embroiled in a fierce legal battle with Twitter at the moment, Elon Musk certainly has no problem using the platform to keep hope alive that the Cybertruck will actually make it to market. His latest claim? The Cybertruck might just double as a boat. Earlier this year, Musk hinted that the Cybertruck's price might exceed the initially promised $39,900. However, he reassured shareholders that it would be a damn fine machine. In a tweet during Hurricane Ian, Musk stated, "Cybertruck will be waterproof enough to serve briefly as a boat," said Musk. It could cross rivers, lakes, and even calm seas, he claimed. This isn't Musk's first floating claim. In 2020, he mentioned the Cybertruck could float for a while. Other trucks, like the Rivian R1T, can float when water reaches a certain height. While floating is possible, staying afloat and steering without a rudder is challenging. Could the Cybertruck have special tires for water navigation? We'll have to wait and see. If a production model arrives, testing its aquatic abilities will be a priority. Until then, Musk's bold claims keep the anticipation alive. Perhaps the Cybertruck will have specialized tires that will allow it to propel itself and steer in water? Musk followed that up by tweeting that the Tesla Cybertruck needs to be waterproof so that it can get from Starbase to South Padre Island, which requires crossing the channel. We'll take Elon at his word, and if a production Cybertruck ever comes our way, we'll be sure to drive it right into the nearest body of water to verify his claim. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.